对，把它反击，把它反击。
Always nice. Shut up. Not always. Yeah. Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen. The local time is 5:45 in the evening and the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius, 87 degrees Fahrenheit. You are required to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please also keep your mobile phones and other portable electronic devices switched off until doors are open. Do remember to remove your personal belongings from the seat pockets and take care when opening the overhead compartments. If you are continuing your journey on another Singapore Airlines flight, please note that the boarding gate for your flight will close 10 minutes before the scheduled departure time. Please also note the restrictions on the carriage of liquids, aerosols and gels, and hand luggage on all flights departing from Singapore Changi Airport. We hope you've enjoyed your flight with us today, and if you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. Have a pleasant evening and thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member Star Alliance.